Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool experiment with dry ice and Coke. I'm gonna put two different pieces of dry ice inside of each bottle and we'll see what happens. So let's check it out. I think it's gonna be fun. Alright. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Look at that! Let's do it again, but this time I'm gonna put dry ice inside of each of these bottles and we'll see which one explodes more, Sprite or Coke. Well, let's do it. Alright, all at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that. Looks like Coke won by much. One. Whoa. Well, that was pretty cool. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. They came over to try our Coke. Let's put some more. Oh, nothing happening. That's weird.